first period, you was eating breakfast, nigga. Call my Glock, DMs cause it's gon' send you a message, nigga. Ride around, stolen cars, how about snatch your necklace, nigga? Stop.
And it's not like it's slow cars.
Exactly. Let's see what's going on. About to get the big boy installed. Well, yeah, but that's what it is. This ain't too bad. Like I said, it's just the dirt. It's coming off. After I'm done with this, I'll go wash my car and all that other stuff. But get up under here and get, where is that? This stock one, you can see right here, stock downpipe compared to the big boy over there. Yeah, about to get some sound. So let's see what this week.
Aluminum and heat don't work well, dog.
Aluminum and heat don't work well.
Hey Henry, you brave.
One out. No one going in. The difference.
What, he got more leaks?
So
They poke holes in it?
this right here, I won't run into a check engine light. So I only have to worry about that. Shout out to 876. I'm telling y'all boys, come get right with the sponsor, bro. Getting us right. So I can run regular and take my time with my tune. But I'm gonna get my tune like probably like next week, but I just wanted it now. I was gonna do all it at the same time, but I was kind of rushing it. I wanted the sound, but that. But yeah, so no check engine light. You gonna be Gucci.
Because when the mechanics say it, yeah, when the mechanics say it, bro, yeah, I know the valve cover. You probably, your camera can't even pick it up. I know your eyes.
Yeah.
It's not supposed to be no pools of oil just sitting.
Damn. Yeah.
Pools of oil, bro. Like
that bit in there.
it's a pool of oil, bro. That's not normal, bro. Like,
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Grits.
grits.
And what motor is it? F54? Leaks. Leaks on top of leaks.
You're a genius.
Downpipe installed. About to get the first startup in that bit. And that now. I can't even see about that, but big juice. Yes, sir. Antifreeze. Is that original? Top up. Sounded good when it started. That cold start was Lizzo. Boy, POV's about to sound crazy. Y'all better stay tuned for that. Sounded healthy. That 876 Motorsport. Shout out to them boys over here. Yeah, it sounded good for real. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, this about to get addicted. Oh yeah, this sounds amazing. Yeah, I'm getting a tune next week. I just wanted some sound right now. I was like, let me hear a little something. Oh yeah. It definitely pulls a lot harder too.
Yeah, that's just freeing up from the exhaust flow. So this downpipe, because it's a true 4.5.
Yeah.
I was 5-inch right off the back of the turbo, 4.5 straight through.
Jeez.
Dump. So yeah, man.
This shit pulls. I already know with the tune, it's gonna feel crazy.
Yeah, bro. It's gonna wake it up big time, man. Wake it up.
The one mod, it made a big ass difference. So imagine just with the tune.
So that's what I tell. So again, going back to the same conversation we had about the infinity, the needs.
Yeah.
These cars are the original reason, bro. A lot of people get fucked up because you don't gotta do much.
Like damn, like one mod, bro. Literally one mod.
Bro. Just downpipe only.
Downpipe only. Oh yeah. That's all I needed. Smiles for gallon. It just sounds amazing. And then the turbo whistle is, oh my gosh.
So now you go intake, you can imagine the difference.
Exactly.
Wake it up, you can actually hear everything, man. Cause right now, so that's the the wastegate you're hearing.
Yeah.
Which I love the sound of it, bro.
Oh yeah. It's just
It's
amazing.
sport, and it's the same in comfort. That's it.
Yeah.
Quiet. Comfort still sound good.
Exactly. I'm about to have mad fun with this. Yeah, it sounds amazing. I'm about to have fun with this. So as y'all can see right now, I done got my downpipe installed. Think about my camera a little bit. So y'all can see, you feel me? But it sounds mad crazy. Like, literally the power gains you get from one mod, and I didn't even do the tune yet. So I already know when I do the tune, like, it's gonna sound crazy. Like, you can hear the turbo whistle. So like I said, shout out again to 876 Motorsports for supplying me with the true 4.5-inch downpipe. You feel me? So it's installed right now. If you guys need any BMW or car or maintenance needs, check them out at 876 Motorsports. I'll link all the information down below or on the screen. Them boys definitely got me right. I'm gonna wait till this light turn green so we can, bruh, this just sound crazy. And another thing I like so far about that downpipe, or like I guess BMWs in general, I have the windows up right now, right? And this is a pretty loud downpipe. It sounds stock from the inside. Like, they did a good job with their in-cabin noise or whatever. Like, you can hear it a little bit because I have my sunroof open, but for the most part, you can't hear nothing. And I like that. So on the outside, that junk sounds obnoxious. From the inside, you just vibing like ain't nothing wrong. Like, let me see if I can get like a little pull or something. Like, watch out. So much traffic. I know y'all hear this. Yeah, like, you really can't hear nothing. It don't sound crazy though. Dang, watch out, don't come in my lane, goofy. But boy, oh boy, the POV job's about to be crazy. Like, watch for this nighttime. You see that GoPro right there? We about to get active. Yes, sir. So YouTube, that's gonna end off today's video, you feel me? Just got my downpipe installed. About to do a whole bunch of crazy stuff. I don't even know it's gonna be too crazy because, you feel me? Just got the downpipe installed. But I'm about to go meet Jordan right now. We about to go get some other stuff handled. Probably get some more content. So, with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications.
Whole lot of drugs, shallow side.
And it's been your boy Von. And I'm gone.
We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, you gotta be smoking runs. If you ain't from around here, don't